Alright guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. It's Monday and currently the Asian session. What are we expecting here from Pound USD? It's clear. Over here on the daily, as stipulated weeks ago, I expected price to make a huge bullish run to 134.20, 134.25, a retest of this region to give me more like an inverse head and shoulder right here, and then we could see price continue its bullish sentiment. Currently, I'm expecting a price to roll down here to give me a retest of this region, in which sometimes price can be really tricky. We could just see price just break through 134.42 right here, but my biggest expectation right now is for price to run down here, give me a retest of this region. And for double confluences, I'm seeing an intraday on 1 hour trend line here, tap 1, tap 2, tap 2, tap 3, and then maybe a tap on this trend line here will give us multiple confluences here, and also in conjunction with this support right here. So a touch of this trend line, a touch of this support, in addition to 78 Fibonacci if you test it, and then we could see price continued bullish run right into this region. For confidence in going bullish here on Pound USD in the coming days or weeks, it's a break of 34.50, a retest of it, and we could see a beautiful run of GU to 35 region. All right, so let's see how this week plays out. You know, it's still the holidays and price can still be highly manipulated and sluggish and sloppy and choppy, anything. So let's see how this plays out. I'll catch you guys on Wednesday. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD, and it's Wednesday. Earlier this week on Monday, I was expecting price to come give me a touch here, rejections here on this perfect zone and area of value, and give me a run up. Actually, this was the arrows I drew price to. It was like this before. I was expecting price to come give me a touch, a retest of it, a touch here, give me some rejections. I'll buy. Price will probably break this region and continue, but as we see, price already came here to make these highs here right now. So what am I expecting going forward? A possibility that price would just continue over here in this zone. Hold on, let me draw this so. And see, it's coming straight to this trend line again for a touch. So two things. Let me take away some of all this diagrams and make this thing clean. Sorry. Oh, no. Okay. So right about now, there's a possibility that price will still roll down to come pick up orders at 133.60, and more likely price will reject this zone, trend line support, then still go back up. So looking at the dailies here, what do we see? We see some more like price closed indecision yesterday, Tuesday, and there's a possibility price will come here or primarily break these lows. So but what I'm seeing here for now is a possibility of price coming to retest this zone to give me my inverse head and shoulder, perfect one, and then we ride it back up. So for now, if there's a condition where price breaks this trend line, we test this zone here, then there's a possibility that it will ride down to pick up orders at 133.55, yeah, something like that. Otherwise, price will just continue soaring high. I'll see you guys on Friday. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD, and this is the last tracking for the year, for the month, for the week. Listen, I'm so excited, right? It's about a couple of minutes to the new year here in Asia, and I'm so glad to be making this record right now. So okay, let's get to it. Listen, on Wednesday I was anticipating that if price could just come pick up orders at least at 33.97 or 33.65 region, But I also mentioned that price could just come here to make a retest, and that will be it to just make a new high, and that's what it made. It's done ever since. Although I didn't trade, yeah, it's the holidays, I'm just chilling, and but price played out pretty nice. If you watch this, it was pretty around somewhere here. What was it at the beginning of the week? I think around here, yeah, something like this. Yeah, so I said that price would make this retest, break this high, make a retest of it, and pretty much that's exactly how price played out this week. And I'm so excited, right? So nothing much to say, but going into the next week, we might just see that price might still head down to 36.00, or pretty much if it breaks through this 35.12, it would come back and make a retest of it next week before it heads down to make it a new high and a retest of 1.36 region. So pretty much enjoy the new year, happy new year, and have fun. I still remain to see the founder of Nice Peeps, and I hope you subscribe, like, follow us on Instagram, Telegram, here on YouTube. I'll see you guys next year, and we're going hard next year. Next year is gonna be hot. All right, coming up with next year, I'll be coming up with a little more of what's it called, new packages for you guys, like more like my intraday tradings. All the trades I take, I probably just make a record of it and post it as shorts on the YouTube. So expect something huge next week. Ciao, God bless you.